bercanda.
Welcome to Estonland.
Hello, thank you. Can I set the name please?
Of course, here is the menu.
Thank you. What do you recommend it?
This dish is very popular. Would you like to try it?
Yes, that sounds good. They have the stick.
How would you like your steak? Sugar, rare, medium, or well done?
Medium, please.
Okay,
Thank you.
you welcome.
Damo. Here are 10 types of fruit that I bought at a supermarket. Here are banana, apple, biscuit drink, vegetables, chicken, snake watermelon, canned meat, and fish will 10 types